facing issue for installing Ghidra, this is a video for you. See, while after installing Ghidra, you are facing issue like this. Uh, Enter path to JDK home directory. Enter path. How to resolve this? Okay, there is a simple solution. Just Google, download OpenJDK file. Just go here. Okay, here you need to type OpenJDK. Okay, JDK builds. Not this one. You can go here. OpenJDK. From here you need to choose your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I choose MSI file. After downloading this one, go to that file, open that one download folder. Okay, just install OpenJDK. Okay, already I installed. Okay, change. So you need to give this one, add to, select this one will be installed on local drive. Okay, and then here you need to select will be installed on local drive, will be installed on open drive, and give next. After then you can restart, okay, the machine and restart the Ghidra, and it will be open. Thank you for watching the video.